everybody, welcome to this video about the Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic. My name is Vic and today I've decided to come here real quickly just to tell you the main information about this supplement, guys, like what it is, what it does, if it really works. So if you want to know all of that, stay with me until the very end of this video. For sure it's going to be the most complete video you will see today on the internet about it. And I also have a really important alert to share with you guys, so stay with me, alright? However, if you watch this video until the very end and you think you need more information about it, I managed to find a link for the official website and I left it just below in the description of my video. All you have to do is go to the description box and click on the link below to go directly to their official website where you can find all the complete information about it. But I really recommend you guys to stay with me because the alerts will be available only here on this video, okay? So let's go, guys. This supplement, the Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic, was designed to help all people out there who want to lose weight but they can't. You know, when you just want to lose some pounds and you're doing everything there is to on earth, like exercises, crazy diets, and nothing's working for you? Maybe that's because you're not working on the root cause of your problem. And the root cause can be like you're not healthy enough so your body can really flush out all of the fat inside of your body. So there is a certain amount of vitamins and nutrients that you must have inside of your organism, inside of your body, and it's impossible to fill the lack of it just with your regular meals, you know. And it's interesting to have a supplement to support it because if you don't have the enough amount of these substances, your body will understand that you're not healthy and that it must like storage fat so you can keep alive. It's like that your body thinks. So with the Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic, you will feel the lack of these vitamins and nutrients because it is 100% natural. So it's a blend of vitamins, nutrients, proteins, minerals, right? Just that. So it will feel the lack of it and your body will understand that you're healthy and then, yes, flush out all of the storage of fat inside of your body. So that's how it works, all right? And yes, guys, it really works. And as it is 100% natural, you don't need to worry about side effects or contradictions because it doesn't have any. All you have to do is take it every single day to see these results. Otherwise, you won't see any results and you will feel very frustrated about it. So the minimum treatment is of 3 months, but you can do the complete treatment as well of 6 months, okay? And in addition to all of these benefits, they offer you a 90-day money-back guarantee, so you can actually test it for 3 whole months. And if you don't see any results, all you have to do is go to the official website and ask for a refund that they will give you 100% of your money back. So you will have nothing to lose here, my friends, only benefits for you, right? But I have an alert to share with you guys. The only place you can purchase the original Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic from is on their official website. That means it is not possible to buy it in drugstores or other websites, only on their official website. So remember that to help you out, I left the link just below in the description of my video. And that is the only place you can purchase the original Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic from. Nowhere else, so please keep that information in mind, alright? There are many people trying to sell a fake product, but the original one is available only on the link below. And this were the information I wanted to share with you about it. Thank you so much, guys, and see you guys around.